video. In this video, I'm going to break down Ebates and kind of show you me actually purchasing some products so you can get an idea of what it's like to have Ebates working for you. Yes, it works for you. Ebates gives you cash back for purchases that you make on the internet. And I've actually been using, as you can see, I've gotten like 96, 97 back from Ebates over the last probably 4 months or so. And actually have more stuff coming to me. This is because some of it's pending. I haven't gotten it yet. I bought a flight, so that some of them they'll get you the cash back like right away, a couple days. Some of it takes a month or two, right? So I'm going to kind of share a little bit about Ebates here. As you can see, move myself. I've used it for sites like Ebates, $39 glasses. That's how I got these. I got cash back on those. Walmart, Beachbody. And then you can see these are other ones. Get double cash back on stuff right now. 9% cash back on Groupon, 6% cash back on Macy's, Belk 4% cash back. Hotels.com up to 8% cash back. So I've used this from anything from buying these glasses to Groupons to buying a flight on Expedia. And the list is endless. They have so many partners at this point. It's crazy. Okay, they even have Amazon, which obviously Amazon's one of the biggest ones, and they don't give you the biggest cash back because they're just a beast. They don't really need it as much as some of these other companies do, which is obviously, if you think about it, this is why they're doing that. Amazon's becoming so dominant, right, that these other companies want your business so bad that they're willing to team up with Ebates to give you cash back just to get you to shop with them online. And that's what this is, whatever you buy from them online. So what I'm going to do right now is kind of show you what it's like when you buy something through Ebates. Okay, the first thing is I have some supplements I have to buy. So I'm going to go to Ebates.com. Okay, so when I go to Ebates.com, it's going to pop up, right? And I didn't know this until I went to it for the first time. I buy my supplements on here. It's cheaper. Good idea. Like online is so much cheaper for so many different products and services. This is one of them. Okay. As you can see, this Ebates. As soon as I go to this website, this pops up for Ebates. Activate 3% cash back, or I can activate it later. Now, for Ebates purposes, I've had this as high as 6 or 9%. I can't remember. Don't quote me on 9, but for sure 6%. Well, what I'm going to do right now, all I have to do is click activate 3% cash back. That's it. Then it does its little magic here, and that promise you doesn't take long. See, it's already working, and I'm right back to Ebates. Now, anything I purchase on Ebates is going to give me a 3% cash back. Essentially, Ebates tells Ebates, yes, James spent $30 on our supplements, so you need to give him cash back for that. Very simple. Okay, and the way that button, you have this little thing right here, this assistant, this free cashback shopping assistant. All you have to do is when you create an account, you take a few minutes, like a minute or two, and you download this onto your browser. So, and it follows you along all over the internet, so that way you just shop wherever you want to shop. And if Ebates is a partner with with that company, it'll pop up. If they're not, it won't. Okay, very simple. As you can see, it's kind of green. Green generally says that it is a partner. Red will tell you that it's not. Okay, so one other thing I want to show you, and I really don't care about you guys seeing, I'm buying a few supplements, vitamin B's. Good for you, right? So anyways, the only thing I want to show you before I make my purchase, and I'll do that later, but is this. We found 11 coupons. So back in the day, I used to go all over the internet and search for coupons that could possibly get me money back. Mass majority of the time, I put in all this time and effort and didn't get any dollars off my purchases. Well, Ebates just takes all the ones that are across the internet and looks for you and puts them all on here. And you just have to press this button, apply coupons. And as you can see, it's checking all these different coupons to see if they work or not for the products and services that I am purchasing. Okay, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But regardless, it's saving me all types of energy. So as you can see right here, it's telling me the coupons didn't work, but you still get your 94 cents cash back. So I spent like 31.23. I get 94 cents cash back, which before Ebates, I wasn't getting no cash back for this. Now, you don't need a credit card to get cash back. In fact, these are just, could be a debit card. You can spend money on your debit card and you're going to get cash back, which is great. Okay, because so many people are looking for chances to get cash back, and all these credit cards are saying, you know, you get cash back for this, that, and the other, just to try to get you into their services. While Ebates is just coming to you and saying, hey, just for buying stuff online, even just paying with your debit card, we'll give you 94 cents cash back, which is awesome. It's basically, like, the way I like to see it is like a no-brainer. Okay, so we can exit out of this. This is really not important. The other thing I want to show you, let's go to Google. Okay, what I want to type in, I'm going to type in something because I already know it's going to work, but you could be shopping and thinking, you can be on Google and be like, okay, I want to look up flights. So let's just say we type in Expedia, right? And then what you're going to see is, look at plus up to 7% cash back. That number has been as high as 12. I know for a fact, maybe even 15, for sure 12. Plus up to 7% cash back. I use Expedia to get a flight and I got that money back. Amazing, okay? And I don't have to do any additional work, right? But as you can see right here, it shows you. So you could be just scrolling the internet. You didn't necessarily have to type in Expedia. You can be like flights to Miami, right? And then as like Expedia and some of these other websites that are trying to sell you cheap flights and everything like that, it'll pop up and let you know, hey, we are partners with Ebates. You're gonna get cash back for this. So that might make it a better idea for you to purchase through them than somebody else. Okay. So that is essentially Ebates. It's very simple. Down below this video, what I'm going to do is I'll leave instructions step by step. There's not that many. There's probably 3 steps on how to create an account. I'll leave a link so you can create an account, and I'll tell you how to get this shopping assistant up on your browser, and you're good to go. You just start shopping, and you don't even have to think about it. It just pops up for you. I don't even worry about it. Right, and it can give you cash back. So if you need it for your family, maybe you want to go out and have a good time yourself, or maybe you're like, you have a business and you're like, I need to find somebody to get some extra cash. You can do that too. The other thing I want to point out for those people who have a lot of friends, who have a lot of people who want to shop online, the one really cool thing that Ebates does is it has a refer and earn $25+. So every person that you refer to Ebates, and I'm pretty sure the number is, if they spend once they spend $25, you get $25. Great deal. Okay, great deal. So like, I've already referred my family members, and they're using it. My cousin Holly has already gotten like 2 checks from them. It's awesome. So I would highly recommend that you get Ebates, because once again, it's just a no-brainer. You're gonna get money back for things you're buying anyways. I was just buying supplements. I'm gonna buy the supplements anyway. Okay. Now I'm getting it back. was gonna fly to make a trip to Texas, right? I got money back for that. Like, and you can get it on so many different, obviously these sites, they're endless, right? So go ahead, create yourself an Ebates account. Leave a comment below. If you have any questions, always reach out to me. Feel free to. I'll leave a section down below so you can leave some comments. Have yourself a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.